Animals do feel pain, fear, and happiness. Animals are also very different from humans. They could be totally fine with the products that we test on them, but then market it to a human and it could go totally wrong. Not only is it harmful, but it's also not totally helpful. Most animals live in cages and are typically killed when the experiment ends. Animal testing is not as simple as smearing cold cream or lip gloss on the face of a rabbit. Animals used in laboratory testing often go through extremely painful experiments and millions die every year. Those that survive the experiments do not get set free. Instead, they are enthusiasts in cosmetic animal testing. Rabbits, guinea pigs, mice, and rats are commonly used for testing. One of the easiest ways that companies can avoid animal testing is to use products that have been used in human history and have proven their safety over time. Companies can also rely on data from natural synthetic ingredients that have been previously tested on animals. Many products you use on the daily probably involved animal testing at some point in its research and development. Though animal testing in research and drug development still remains a common practice, even scientists now agree that alternatives to animal testing can and should be used. Alternative methods are usually cheaper, safer, and provide faster results. There are also some other ways to test on animals. Scientists have tested out a human-based chip that has all the human organisms, so it would be like testing on a human. Animal experimentation prolongs the suffering of people waiting for effective cures by misleading experimenters and squandering precious money, time, and resources that could have been spent on human-relevant research. Some people say that animal testing is beneficial and helpful so they know the product is safe for humans. Typically, animal studies are essential for research that seeks to understand complex questions of disease progression, genetics, lifetime risk, or other biological mechanisms of a whole living system that would be unacceptable or too difficult to perform on humans. Yes, animal testing can be beneficial to the science community, but that doesn't make it right. We should be using an alternate form of testing for products. Animal testing should not only be minimalized, but it should be eliminated. It is causing pain to the experimental animals, and there are plenty of other ways to test these products. Next time you buy a product, look and see if it was tested on animals, and if you have the opportunity to donate to animal protections, then be sure to.